Next in CSS we are going to study about margins. For that I'm creating one folder inside my file inside my CSS folder, and the name of the file is margin.html, and this is my basic HTML code. Here in head section we are giving style tag. It has both opening and closing, and here I'm setting the height of my document's body. Now here I want that text inside my my paragraph tag should be red in color. So color red, background color of paragraph should be aqua, and inside this I'm also giving border 1 pixel, solid black I'm giving. Now here in body section I'm giving one paragraph tag, and in this paragraph tag I'm giving no margin. So whenever we'll save it and click on go live. So this is a paragraph. This is text inside paragraph, which is red in color. Border is black, 1 pixel black, solid black, and background color is aqua. Now I'm creating one more paragraph, which is related to p.1, and in this paragraph I'm saying that margin should be auto, and should give border I want to be 1 pixel, solid black, and here I'm saying p class equals to, within double quotes we have to give one name of the class, and here I'm saying auto margin. So what margin does? Margin is used to create a space around element, or we can say that these are the blank spaces outside the element. So here I have set paragraph whose class is 1 to auto margin. That means that auto margin has no effect. Paragraph will be shown as it is. We can see that here we haven't given any margin, and here we have given auto margin. So it is not showing any effect. Next we are creating one more class, p.2, and in this class I'm setting border to 1 pixel, solid black, and margin top to 150 pixel, then margin right to 50 pixel, then margin bottom to 50 pixel, and margin right, sorry, left to 50 pixel. And here I'm creating one more class. I'm assigning this class to paragraph tag because it is related to paragraph only. P class equals to, I'm giving it a name 2. So in class 2, I have set top margin to 150 pixel, right margin to 50 pixel, bottom margin to 50 pixel, and margin left to 50 pixel. Save it and click on go live. So here we can see that this paragraph has top margin 150 pixel, right margin 50 pixel, bottom margin is 50 pixel, and left margin, that is this margin, is 50 pixel. Next, we are going to create one more class p dot 3, and here in this class I'm saying we don't need to specify each and every margin like margin top, left, top, right, bottom, and left. We can give directly by saying margin, then I'm giving number 40 pixel. This 40 pixel is showing top margin. Then space, again I'm giving 40 pixel. This is for right side. Then I'm saying 0 pixel. This is bottom. And next I'm saying again 40 pixel. This is left side. And here also I'm giving border 1 pixel solid black. And here I'm creating p class equals to, within double quotes we have to give 3. Save it and click on go live. So we can see that this paragraph is 40 pixel from this above paragraph. From right side its margin is 40 pixel, from bottom side it is 0 pixel, we'll see it later, and from left side it is 40 pixel. Again we are going to create one more class p dot, okay, we don't need to create class, we'll do it directly here in. So here I'm saying p style equals to, within double quotes we'll give margin colon, I'm saying 0 space auto, semicolon, I'm saying here margin 0 auto. So save it and click on go live. So we can see that this paragraph is totally joined with its above paragraph. There is no margin in between them. What this saying, margin 0 auto, that means top margin should be 0. There is no margin in between these two paragraphs, and right, bottom, and left margin should be auto. That means it will automatically calculate margin. We don't need to specify them. Here right, bottom, and the left margins are automatically calculated by the browser.